In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Suno AI to Pro. Whether you're a music enthusiast looking for advanced features or a professional seeking enhanced capabilities, upgrading to the Pro version of Suno AI is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Suno AI Music website. If you haven't already, open your preferred internet browser and enter the website address in the URL bar. Once there, you should see options to log in. Use your existing account credentials to access your Suno AI dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a reset option to help you retrieve it. After logging in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu where you'll find an option labeled Upgrade. Click on this button. It's typically located in an accessible area on the homepage. This step, though simple, is crucial as it initiates the upgrade process to enhance your account features. Upon clicking Upgrade, you'll be seamlessly redirected to the Manage Your Suno Plan page. This page acts as your control center for switching plans. Here, you'll see different subscription options listed clearly. Now, locate the Pro plan from the list of available plans. The Pro plan provides additional benefits and features not available in the basic version, making it ideal if you're looking to maximize your use of Suno AI Music. Carefully review what the Pro plan offers to ensure it meets your needs, and then click on the button that says Subscribe next to it. Next, if you have a promotion code, this is the perfect moment to use it. There's typically an input field designated for such codes during the checkout process. Applying a promo code can significantly reduce the cost, making the Pro plan more affordable. If you don't have one, no worries. You can proceed with the regular subscription cost. Moving on to the payment process, you'll be asked to fill in your payment details. Make sure you have your credit or debit card information handy, along with any necessary billing details. It's important that this information is accurate to avoid any disruptions in your subscription service. Finally, after completing the payment information, you'll see a Subscribe button. Clicking this will finalize your upgrade to the Pro version. Once the transaction is processed, your account should reflect the new Pro features and you can start utilizing them immediately. So there you have it. Upgrading to Suno AI Pro opens a new world of musical possibilities and advanced features that can significantly enhance your musical experience. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy the newly unlocked features of Suno AI Pro.